Welcome to my Finance Gyan Plus YouTube channel. After a long time, I have started providing you new videos related with financial ratios. Please like, subscribe and share my videos with your friends. And let's see the problem. The KL company had a quick ratio of 1.4 and a current ratio of 3.0. Days sales outstanding of 36.5 days based on a 365 days year. Total current asset of rupees 8,10,000, cash and marketable security of rupees 1,20,000. What were KL's annual sales? So this is a question related with financial ratios. Here different informations are given here. If you see here, KL's company quick ratio is given 1.4, current ratio is given 3.0, days sales outstanding is given 36.5 days based on a 365 days a year. Total current asset is given rupees 8,10,000 and cash and marketable security of rupees 1,20,000 is given here, and you are asked to find annual sales. So now let's see. Given, let's write the given quick ratio 1.4, current ratio 3.0, days sales outstanding 36.5 days, days in a year is given 365 days. Current asset, total current assets 8,10,000, cash and marketable securities rupees 1,20,000, and you are asked annual sales of KL company. So now if you see the information given here, you can use the ratios. Different ratios are given here. Quick ratio, current ratio, days sales outstanding is also given here. Days in a year is given here. Total current asset is given here. Cash and marketable securities are given here. So you have to find the annual sales. To find the annual sales, first by given the information, you have to find the current liabilities. You have to find current liabilities from current ratio. If you use current ratio, you can find the current liabilities. Okay. So now let's see. You have to use current ratio to find the current liabilities. So here current ratio equal to current assets divided by current liabilities. So here current ratio is already given here 3, and current asset, total current asset is also given here 8,10,000. So by using this formula, you can find the value of current liabilities. Current liabilities equal to current assets upon current ratio. So here current assets, if you see, it's given 8,10,000 and current ratio is given 3. So now you can find the value of current liabilities. It is rupees 2,70,000. Now after finding the current liabilities, now you have to find the quick asset by using quick ratio. So now let's use quick ratio. Quick ratio equal to quick asset upon current liabilities. So, or quick assets equal to quick ratio into current liabilities. So now if you see here, what you will find? In quick ratio, it's given 1.4, and current liabilities you have already calculated here, 2,70,000. That is your, if you multiply with 1.4, you will get 3,78,000 as your quick asset. After getting quick asset, you have to find account receivable. Okay, now let's see, after finding the quick asset, you can find the account receivable by using quick asset. So here, quick assets equal to cash and marketable securities plus account receivable. Now you can find the value of account receivable by deducting cash and marketable securities from quick asset. So account receivable equals to quick assets minus cash and marketable securities. Okay, so here you see quick asset you have already found here, 3,78,000, and you have also known the value of cash and marketable security, which is given in your question. So cash and marketable security, it is 1,20,000. Now you can get the account receivable, 3,78,000 minus 1,20,000. Your amount is rupees 2,58,000. This is your account receivable. Now you can find the value of annual sales by using days sales outstanding. So days sales outstanding is also given in the question. Now let's see how to find the annual sales by using days sales outstanding. So now days sales outstanding equal to account receivable into days in a year divided by annual sales. So after finding account receivable, now you can find the value of annual sales using days sales outstanding. So now days sales outstanding is given 36.5 days in your question. Account receivable, you have found the account receivable here. 2,58,000 days in a year, 365 days, and then now we have to find annual sales, or annual sales equals to 2,58,000 into 365 divided by this day sales outstanding comes here 36.5 days. So here now if you calculate 2,58,000 into 365 divided by 36.5, therefore annual sales of KL company equals to rupees 25,80,000. So in this way you have to solve this problem. So if you like my videos, please like, subscribe and share with your friends. I will bring some additional videos related with financial ratios. So this was for today.